Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials: power or gas on, door closed, and the oven cavity clear. Once done, position racks where your dish will sit, middle for even heat. Turn the main selector to bake and set the temperature, for example 350 degrees for most roasts. Press Start or the Confirm button. You do this now so the unit can preheat while you prepare food. Make sure indicator lights or display show preheating to avoid opening the door constantly. You'll now load food and refine controls. Once the oven shows preheated, place your dish on the chosen rack and select convection if the recipe calls for it. Convection circulates air, so you often reduce time by about 10–20%. If using the probe, insert it into the thickest part and set target temp. This prevents guessing. Set the timer and make a habit of rotating pans halfway for even browning. If you need to adjust temperature mid-cycle, do it quickly and close the door to maintain heat. You finish by turning the oven off and removing food with mitts. For meats, rest covered for carryover cooking to finish. Once cool, wipe spills and clean racks. Regular cleaning prevents smoke and bad flavors. If the oven won't heat or shows an error, first check the circuit breaker or gas valve, then consult the display code to guide next steps. If an error persists after power cycling, contact qualified service. This approach saves time and keeps performance reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.